Okay, guys, so I was going to try to detangle this and on camera and moving around, I fucked up and exit out the clip. So I'm going to start detangling this. But before that, I just want to show that um, I think this got a hole in it. I have this in conditioner, the bundles. So this is in conditioner and hot water, so that's what's going on with that. I'm going to put it in the bag because I think it's leaking. Okay, so I'm not going to do this all on camera. And I'm sitting thinking it would be easier for me, and it's like, it's not. So I'm just going to dip it, and I put conditioner on the roots even more. But this is going to take me a while to do. So there's no way I'm recording this all. Because we'll be here all day. This will be a couple hours. Because look at this. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh, God. I gotta start somewhere, you know? And I feel like this needs more conditioner, though. I'm going to end up using a whole bottle of conditioner on this. I just want this to be very detangled. I'm trying to see if I can like open it up just so when I brush it through, some of the hairs will just start coming down. This happens when your hair is dehydrated. The roots, remember the hair is folded over when they're not hair. So it will just start to just fuck up on itself. So let me see. Okay, where's that comb I had? I had a comb. Did I drop it in here? Did I? Nope. Hold on, guys. I don't know what I did with that comb. Shit. Where'd that comb go? I had a comb that I want to use. And, oh, there's some conditioner in here. Now I don't know where it went. Oh, it did fall in here. Okay, so I'm going to use this comb. This is a very tedious process of it all. You want to just take your time. Yeah, and you're going to have to keep dipping it in and trying to see if you can just bring it down. And you see I'm not getting nowhere right now because there's a big knot right here, but I'm just going to keep trying to get it out. Hey guys, so I'm in my kitchen. So I am, just hair on my camera. So I'm going to boil her. So I tried to detangle it, it's not working. And plan B was to microwave. I didn't really microwave it long. I also don't like microwaving hair because it leaves a smell in your microwave. So I'm going to boil it. And I have conditioner and olive oil. And this pot, I'm using this pot because this pot is peeling and you can't cook food in it no more. So I have it in here. Actually, I'm going to have the lid off. What was I going to say? I have it in here with olive oil and conditioner. And the olive oil, I wanted to make the matted parts very slippery. So I'm going to let this shit sit for a while. And I just wanted to get as easy as possible. So those matted parts just slip right through. And very easy. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yes, this is the process of this. The bundles are still sitting in the conditioner. I'm gonna let it sit. I'll probably take it out at 3 o'clock. It's you can't see it, 2:27 p.m. So we will see what's going on. Yeah, and then the thing about it is it's so tight. And when I say so tight that it matted up, that it has the frontal going in, like squishing in, that it's not flexible either. It's just one stiff ass thing. So I am boiling it, and hopefully this helps. If not, this is it. I don't know what else to do. But alright. Hey guys, so I'm outside. I have this, I just put this outside. Ooh, I just rinsed this out, the conditioner. I'm probably gonna do it again, but also I think I might wash it again too. It just depends, because I feel like I still smell like oil, but it could just be the cap. But I'm gonna go through this. I'm letting this dry so I can actually take it apart later. But you see that long, I don't know if it's focusing, you see like this long piece here. That's because one of the tracks is loose. But I just wanted to show you guys that there's a plane. Let me see if I can catch it. Can I see that? I live across the East River, and that's LaGuardia Airport right there. But But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I did wash out. It actually is pretty good. The bundles now. The frontal was on another thing. But anyways, later. Okay, so I was outside, you know, showing you guys the bundle. Let me show you guys this real quick. So I have this sitting in hot water. Well, the boiling process is done right now. So let me look at this. I want to see if this actually did anything. I don't know if it feels... I don't know if it's still hot. Yeah, it's still too hot for me to do anything. So I'm gonna just let this sit. I want this to just sit, take all this in. The olive oil, the conditioner. This looks gross, to be honest. If you do boil hair, like I said, this pot I do not eat out of because the Teflon is a cheap pot, so it's starting to peel. Do not use a pot that you cook out of because then you will not be able to use it to cook. Alright? So this is just to boil, and that's that. So I'm gonna give this a few. I don't know if I want to rinse it, to cool it down, to fill up another thing of water. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'll let y'all know. Hey guys, okay, so I did get so far like maybe a third of the section. So the oil did help a lot. So now just this side of the frontal, this side of the frontal is, it's a lot tighter. So I'm just going to have to either start going back from the other side. But you can see the difference. Like the frontal is flat. It's not tight as you can see. This is. So, I mean, she's lost hair. Like, I'm going to show you how much hair has came out so far. Look at this. Gone. So, I just hope that it is presentable, or I'm going to have to add some hair. But I'm taking a fucking break. I have to go cook. But I will get back to this later. So, I'm just let this sit in here. And the olive oil did help a lot with boiling. So, later. Okay guys, so I did a quick video for Instagram. Now what I'm going to talk about real quick is I was saying how with this, so the frontal is, damn, I should have recorded this before I brought this up. Like this is where I'm going to put the part at. It's bald. A lot of the hair's gone. The hair's on the floor. I'll show you real quick. Oops, sorry. So most of the hair that came from the frontals in here, only a little bit came from the bundles. Here's the bundles. But I put it in these rods because I'm going to boil again. So my issue with this right now is that even though I had silicone mix in it, I had everything I could try to make sure that these roots don't mat once I put it in water. Because, well, I said it kind of wrong in the video on Instagram, like, oh, this is not going to be worn again. I want it to be able to be worn again. But this is still like a challenge. Like, if it did not get fixed, my neighbor would not have cared. It is, but it's an old wig. She didn't know no better. I keep giving this disclaimer so, you know, I mean, it's bad. She didn't know no better. She really didn't. She was just doing what she was told, and that's what happens. You see all this? All this hair. All this hair. You see that orange hair down there? That's mine. That was in my brush. And that was from the hair that's mixed with my hair is the bundle hair. And it was not much. Even though this is still shedding because every weft is cut. Anyway, so I'm going to go boil this. And hopefully this helps, even though it was boiled again before. But I put the rods in it because I just can't just let it boil free. I don't want it to mat up. But, yeah. So I'm going to boil it for like an hour. I'm going to put olive oil again. And just let it sit. I'll put every essential oil I got. And go from there. Alright?